In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does an Audible membership work. So Audible is an audiobook and podcast service owned by Amazon that operates on a subscription-based model. So I'm going to give you a breakdown of the membership model that they offer and the key components. So first, the core of most Audible memberships is the credits. You receive a certain number of credits each month or year depending on your plan. One credit is typically good for one audiobook from Audible's premium selection, regardless of the book's price. This is a major benefit because it allows you to get expensive bestsellers at the same cost as a shorter, cheaper title. Credits usually expire within 12 months after they are issued, so it's important to use them. If you cancel your subscription, you will lose credits. If you run out, you can activate Audible Premium Plus to purchase additional credits at a discounted rate. So this is why they have the Plus membership and then the Premium Plus membership. This is a library of thousands of included titles, audiobooks, Audible originals, podcasts, and more that you can listen to as much as you want as long as the Premium Plus membership is active. You don't need to use credit for titles in the Plus catalog, but of course it is going to be exclusive. If you are curious to browse through some of these options, you can visit the website, and if you scroll down you can find it here, Browse Audiobooks. Then you can see all of the categories of audiobooks, podcasts, and other content available. As you can see, the Plus catalog is also shown here at the bottom, and these you will be able to listen to without spending your credits. Any audiobook that you purchase with a credit or with cash is yours to keep forever, even if you cancel your Audible membership. This is a crucial distinction. It's not just renting the books, it's yours to keep. And you will be able to browse through all of them as long as you have either the Standard or Premium Plus membership active. So choose between Plus, which is a monthly membership that provides unlimited streaming and listening from the Plus catalog only. It does not include any monthly credits. And if you choose the Premium Plus, which is the most popular plan, you will have access to the credit system. And you can choose to subscribe with it monthly or annually. Most new members can start with a 30-day free trial. If you are an Amazon Prime member, you may even receive extra benefits. So download the audio app or visit the website and make sure that you have a subscription active. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.